What makes a city great? Probably all the things you can do and see and experience over and above just living. The extras. The surprises. The magic. All those different immigrants from all those different countries with their countless cultural riches have made us a great city. If you're a fan of art, architecture, or just walking and looking, Chicago is a movable feast. We invented the skyscraper here. Most of the innovations of modern architecture. The iron skeleton, horizontally elongated windows, and people in glass houses. We also perfected the revolt against modern architecture. And when we're past postmodern, we'll be inventing the future here, too. It's getting dark, and it's time to have some fun, Chicago style. When the light goes down, the city lights up with carriage rides and elegant restaurants, small cafes, ethnic food from just about everywhere. Jazz, blues, rock and roll, billiards, movies, theater, dancing all night and even all day. And day and night, the Bears, the Bulls, the Blackhawks, the White Sox, and the Cubs.